Hello my lovely people and welcome back to my channel. Happy Diwali to everyone that's celebrating this year. Today I'm doing a Diwali makeup look, which is this makeup look right here. If you want to know how to get this makeup look, then please keep watching. Here I'm using the FARSALI Skin Blur Primer. With a dropper, I apply the primer on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and work it all around my skin. This does an amazing job of filling in the pores and it makes your skin super tacky to the touch, which is very good for gripping onto the foundation. Using the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade of Tahoe, I applied some drops all around my face, and with this brush, I'm just going to start getting this blended out into the skin. I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade 255. I'm going to get this onto the areas that I want to brighten and bring forward. That's underneath my eyes, along the sides of my nose, my chin and my forehead. And then to set underneath my eyes and my eyelids in place, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty powder in the shade of Blondie, and I'm going to get that onto the areas where I apply that concealer. So for contouring, I'm going to use the NARS stick to get that onto my forehead, my cheekbones and also my jawlines, and I'm just going to get a little bit on the side of my nose as well. Using the same brush, I blend out the strokes smoothly, and to set up everything in place, I'm applying the same powder all over my face. Eye makeup, I'm using the Chocolate bar from Too Faced and Sleek Makeup. First, I'm going to take the mid chocolate shade from Too Faced with my blending brush, and I'm going to apply this in the outer corner of my eyes as well as the crease. which is my transition color. Taking this deep brown color and blending this out with my transition shade with the same brush to intensify the color in the outer corner as well as the crease. Next, I'm taking this burgundy color and apply it all over my eyelids, especially intensify the color. Taking another blending brush, I'm blending this out smoothly everywhere. Using this gold shiny shade from Slave Maker, I'm going to do a soft cut crease. This gives a very soft and pigmented look. Using this flat brush, I apply the gold color from the inner corner of my eyes and blending it to the transition colors. Burgundy color, I apply it out in the outer lower lash line and applying the gold color in the inner lower lash line. For my eyeliner, I'm using the black TatooLiner from Maybelline. I'm going to tie line my waterline using the eyeliner pencil. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brown Pomade in dark brown. Using this angle brush, I'm going to fill in the spare areas and spread across the color evenly. Next, I'm going to apply a coat of mascara. The one I'm going to use today is from MAC. For falsies, I'm using the HUDA Beauty lashes in Samantha, which gives a very glamorous look for this special occasion. For bronzer, I'm applying the Hoola bronzer from Benefit all over the same area as I did for contouring for a sun-kissed and bronzed look and blend out evenly on my skin. For blush, I'm going to take a little bit of Orgasm from NARS and getting that onto the apples on my cheeks. Beautiful and really flattering as well. And for highlight, I'm going to use NYX Illuminator, which is a very beautiful glowy shade, perfect for Diwali. I'm applying it on my cheekbones and pushing that up into my brow bone a little bit as well. And don't forget to apply it on the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow, and a little bit on my temples. For my lips, I decided to do a shiny light red. This is a Yves Saint Laurent in Rouge Pure Couture, and it smells so good. Here's the finished look. The first one is for a very simple glam look, and if you want something more glamorous, here I've done a quick easy hair bun, and of course not forgetting to put on the tika and bindi to complete the glamorous Diwali look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and comment below and let me know your thoughts. I will see you all in my next video. Take care, bye!